Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about equations with two absolute values and more specifically, how to solve them. So, to solve an equation like this, absolute value of ax plus b is equal to the absolute value of cx plus d. We need to solve two equations. We need to solve for ax plus b equaling cx plus d, or ax plus b equaling the negative version of cx plus d, and also remembering that we should distribute this negative into both the cx and the d. We should treat this negative as a negative 1. So let's do that for these examples, starting with example 1. For example 1, first I'm going to solve 3x plus 4 is equal to 10x plus 60. And then the second one I'm going to solve is 3x plus 4 is equal to negative 10x minus 60, right? Because I'm making sure to distribute that negative into both the 10x and the 60. Okay, so now I'm going to isolate the variable. The first step to doing that is getting all of the terms of the variable on one side and all the constant terms on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides as my first step on the left to get negative 7x plus 4 is equal to 60. Then I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So negative 7x is equal to 56. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7 to get x is equal to 8. So that's one of our solutions. X is equal to 8. And if x is equal to 8, that means that both of the things in their absolute value are going to give us the same thing. They're both going to amount to the same number. Now we need to find what would x be in the scenario that they're negative versions of one another. So same technique here. I'm going to start by adding 10x to both sides so that we only have x's on our left and not the right anymore. So then we have 13x plus 4 equals negative 60. Then I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides to get that 13x is equal to negative 64. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 13 to get x is equal to negative 64 over 13. And there we go. All right. Let's move on to example 2. Same thing with example 2. We need to figure out what is x if 5x plus 2 is equal to 15x minus 48. And also, what is x if 5x plus 2 is equal to the negative version of 15x minus 48. All right, so first let's solve the one on the left. I'm going to subtract 15x from both sides. And that's going to give us negative 10x plus 2 is equal to negative 48. Then I will subtract 2 from both sides to get negative 10x equals negative 50. Then I'll divide both sides by negative 10 to get x equals to 5. So there we go. If x is equal to 5, then that's one of our solutions. Then for the next one, let's first distribute the negative sign into the 15x and to the 48, or to the negative 48. So we get 5x plus 2 is equal to negative 15x plus 48, right? Because negative 1 times negative 48 is positive 48. Then I'm going to add 15x to both sides. And we're going to get 20x plus 2 is equal to 48. Then we'll subtract 2 from both sides to give us 20x is equal to 46. And then we're going to divide both sides by 20 to get x equals 46 over 20. And that can actually be reduced to 23 over 10, or to 2.3 if we prefer decimals. So I'll put that in here. That's also equal to 23 over 10. All right. Well, very good, everyone. Well done, and I'll see everyone next time.